morning, how are you, learners? How are you? How are you doing? I wish that everything is okay. I already promised that I will prepare for you revision for the final exam. And yesterday I told you, inshallah, today I will do this one, okay? So I'm going to start now, my learners, so that I can at least give you some slight ideas. How can you solve questions? How can you think of answers or something like that? Okay, we start. So we start, my learners. Hello, I'm recording the lecture, brother. Okay, so we start now. I just layout, okay, orientation, landscape. Okay, we start, my learners. Here we have question number 1. You can read the question, my learners. Find the value of these expression. Clear? Okay, we have negative 5 to the power 0. In your opinion, is it equal to minus 1 or 1, 0 or 2 or 1? So you already know that this one is equal to, I'll just write equal to a negative 5 between parentheses to the power 1 minus 1. Then I will change this to a fraction. This is a fraction, okay. I will make 5. I'll just use this one, or I will use this one, okay. Equal 5 to the power 1, negative 5 to the power 1, divided by negative 5 to the power 1, okay. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1. So this one, my learners, equal to 1. So the correct answer is this. Clear? For the next question, what are the roots of minus x squared, or I will just write 2x minus x squared, okay? If you want to use the formula, quadratic formula, or just factorization, you should, let's say, find the two roots, okay? Here you can factorize this, my learners. You just make into parentheses 2 minus x multiply by x should be equal to 0. Means what? Means that 2 minus x is 0, is equal to 0, or x equals 0, okay? Then it's clear that 2 minus x equals 0 means that x equals 2. So therefore, x is 0 and or x is equal to 2. This is, my learners, the correct answer, okay? So here we have some option: negative 2, 0, 0, negative 2, and 0, 2, and double 0. So the correct answer is that. Clear? The next example we have, I'll make plus, okay, 100%. What is it? Okay, we'll try to. Okay, then for the next question, given the number sequence 15, 19, 23, 27, and 31. The question is, what is the common difference? The common difference, my learners, is D. Okay, A is the difference between two consecutive terms. Means two consecutive terms, my learners, means, okay, means between, I will make bigger, between 15 and 19. 19 minus 15 is 4. 23 minus 19 is 4. 27 minus 23 is 4. And the fifth term, 31 minus 27, is 4. So just write here what the common difference, my learners. Common difference is D equal what? Equal 19 minus 15, which is equal to 4. Okay, so also you can note that 23 minus 19 is 4, then 27 minus 24 is 4, then 31 minus 27 is 4. Means this sequence between parentheses, the sequence increases with same amount of 4. So this one is, my learners, it's called the common difference. Okay, so here we have 2, here 4, here 5, and here 21. So it's clear, my learners, that this is the common difference is 4. For the second question, we have what? Okay, we have, my learners, find the lower bound of 5216 to the nearest 100. Here, as you are going to find this, the lower or the upper bound of a number to the nearest 100, you should first of all try to divide 100 by 2, give us 50. So the lower bound, my learners, lower bound is equal to what? Is equal to 5216 minus 50, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 5,166. This is the lower bound. The upper bound, learners, you will just add, okay, add to this number 50 minus 5,216 plus 50, which is equal to 5,266. So this is how can you, let's say, find the exact value. This is 5,266, means that you are going to find the upper bound, and this is 5,166, which is the lower bound. So the correct answer, my learners, don't choose any answer, just you should use your mind, so then you can, let's say, compare your answer with the option that will be given. Okay, for the second question, calculate the rate of simple interest if a principal of $100 amounts to 250 in 3 years. Okay, here, my learners, the simple interest is I, which is equal to, I will use this symbol because I want to use a fraction, equal, then I will try to insert an equation. So I will make like this fraction. So I will erase this one, my learners. So we told P times PRT divided by 100. This is the formula of the interest. Okay. Now you can see that the principal is 100. Okay. This is 250. So I want to find what? I want to find R. R is, my learners, is not given because the question tried to find the rate of simple interest. Okay, this is so just I will try to make cross multiplying. I will make I multiply by 100 gives minus 100I equal what? Equal PRT. What time here we have 3 years. Okay, so then to let's say isolate R, my learners, you should divide both sides by PT. So therefore I will use this one. Therefore, my learners, this implies that R equal, I'm looking for R, so R is equal to 100i divided by pt. Okay, divided by pt. Okay, p is principal, t is time, but you should first of all find the value of I. Well, I learners, the interest paid now, the interest paid equal 250 minus 100, which is equal to 150. Now just substitution on this new equation after isolating R. So I'll just write here R equal 100i is 100 multiplied by 150 divided by P is principal is 100 multiplied by 3. Okay, this is just calculation. We have modernus. We have 100 multiplied by 150. Then I should divide this by 300. So it will be 50%. Okay, it will be 50%. Just I will check again. We have 100. Okay, $100 multiplied by 150 divided by equal divided by 100. So the answer should be equal to 50%. Okay, 50%. So this one is equal, I'll just write this there. Okay, equal 50%. Clear? So this is how can you think of this is of course we told 3 years. I will give this as a detail, as a given number. Now this is how can you solve this equation. So the correct answer, my learners, is what? Is 50%. In the exam, different numbers of course, but you should use the same method. At least this kind of questions will guide you or will help you thinking of how to isolate the rate and how can you write the rate in terms of I, P, and T, and then just substitution to find the answer. Okay, for the second one, we have what, my learners? Okay, we have look at the following diagram and choose the best phrase that describes. You can see this one is the perpendicular line through a point C to the line segment AB. Okay, so we have locus of all points, perpendicular bisector of a line, angle bisector, or perpendicular line from a point C. So you can see this is perpendicular line from the point C to the line AB. So this one, my learners, is the correct answer. Clear? This is about the locus, chapter of the locus. Now we move to the next one. Here we have a triangle. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. You see? So this is triangle ABC is similar to XYZ, not XZY. Okay? So the question is solve for T. Find the value of T is equal to what? Okay. Here, my learners, I will just this is T. Okay, I will just erase this one. How can I erase this one? Okay, no problem. I will make like that. Yes, now it will be removed. Okay, now my learners, I will use 50%. I will try to use a fraction first. Okay, this one, yes. So here I will just erase this one because no need to this. Okay, now we told that these two triangles are similar, means their corresponding sides are similar. Okay, for example, I will start with AB divided the line AB, or the line segment AB divide by what? By XY. By XY equal what? I'll just use this is another time. Equal okay, we have equal sign. Equal what? For example, I choose, look, ABC XYZ. So AB, I use XY. Then, for example, I want to use okay, I want to use XZ. Okay, means XZ I will use AC. Okay, this is A, this is C. Okay, this is X, this is Y, this is X, and this is Z. Means I wrote here AB divided by XY equal AC divided by XZ. Clear? So here I will just change here. It will be C. With the C's it will be XZ. Just then substitution. XZ, Mr. Murad. This one, yes. Okay. So this one equal what, my learners? Copy. This implies, this gives, this will give what? The AB is 19.5 and the XY is already is T because it's a variable, it's a known. Equal what? Equal AC divided by XZ. Okay, the AC is 13.5 and XZ is 4.5. Then, my learners, you can use cross multiplying. It will be 13.5 multiplied by T should be equal to 19.5 multiplied by 4.5. Then just you will make T equal, I will just write it here, therefore T equal what? I will write here T is equal to 19.5 multiplied by 4.5 all divided by 13.5 because the coefficient of T is 13.5. Okay, then just calculation, you will find the answer. Okay, 6.5. So the answer is 6.5. Okay, I can color this in just a moment. Yes, alhamdulillah, we found solution. Oh yes. So here the correct answer is what, my learners? Is this one, 6.5. This is the correct answer. Clear? For the second one, or also you can find the ratio is 12 divided by 4 is 3. So means 19.5 divided by 3 is 6.5. The easiest method. Okay. Now move to the next question. What triangle is similar? Which triangle is similar to triangle A? This is the triangle A, you see. So a triangle A has two internal angles, 46 degree and 79 degree. For the triangle C, we have also two internal angles, 46 degree and 79 degree. Then triangle B, my learners, we have 51 degree and 62 degree. So which one in your opinion that is similar to A? Except A, of course. Okay, A, no need here to make it because we are going to find another similar triangles, else A. So B is not a similar triangle because different internal angles, and C here we have two internal angles that are equal in size. So the third one, it's easy, 180 minus the total of 46 and 79. So the one that can be similar to this triangle A is what? Is C, triangle C. Okay. For the next question we have question 9. Find if A equal minus 1 minus 3. The question is find 2 times A. Find 2A. Okay, so I'll just give here it will be minus 2 and here it will be minus 3, minus 6. So to solve this question, my learners, okay, I'll just write down 2 times A. 2A means equal 2 times, between parentheses, the column vector. This one equal, I'll just do the same column vector. It will be, look here, 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. Then 2 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 6. Clear? Just multiplication. To multiply a vector by a scalar. Okay? So the correct answer is that. Minus 2, 6. Okay? In the exam, of course, we'll have different numbers, but same way, how can you solve these kind of questions? Now we have if A equal with the column vector 1, 1 and B equal 1, 3, then find the difference of A minus B. So, first of all, my learners, I should write this one. Okay, A minus B, I will make A minus B is equal to, then I will, okay, this is A minus B. This one, my learners, equal what? Equal, you can see that. Look, 1 minus 1, I will make 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Then 1 minus 3. Here, 1 minus 3. So, equal, it will be 1 minus 1 is 0. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay? So, which is the correct answer? Is small c. Okay? But of course, you will get different examples, different numbers. Okay? But it's very easy, just application. Okay? For the second one, question 11. Okay. Here we have the mark of 20 students are shown on this table below. This is the marks of the student, 10. Okay, this is only one student who got 10, 15 students got 12, 4 students get 14. What is the mode? The mode, my learners, is what? Between parentheses, the mode is the common value, or the common, yes, the most common value. Okay, or is that number, or is that value that has the largest, the highest, the largest frequency. Okay, frequency, Mr. Moran. Frequency, okay. Frequency, okay. So, you can see that, you see, look at this distribution of this frequency table. The one that has highest marks is that. So the mode is 12. The mode should be equal to 12. This is the mode. So is it 40? Of course, no. 10 now, 2 now. So the correct answer is that. Clear? Then we move to the next one. Question 12. Okay, we have a cumulative frequency table of Ryan-Balmer games. Time can be made as follows. This is day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Frequency in hours. Okay. Then cumulative frequency in hours. For the first one, we have 2 here. The frequency is 2, so the cumulative frequency is already 2. For on Tuesday, the frequency is 1. So the cumulative frequency, I will add this one, my learners. Okay, no, not this. Yes, I need this one, but I will make smaller. Okay, then I will rotate it. Okay, so to find the cumulative frequency on Tuesday, just add 2 to 1. Add these two numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. To find the cumulative frequency on Wednesday, just add 3 to 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2. Okay, I will make it bigger. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then, to find the cumulative frequency on Thursday, I will make 5 plus 3. Okay, so I will just write here 5 plus 3, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 8. So, find the missing cumulative frequency in Thursday. Okay, so the cumulative frequency is what, my learners? We told is 5 plus 3 gives 8. Okay, this is the correct answer. May in the exam it will tell you find the cumulative frequency in Friday, in Wednesday, in Tuesday. So the same way you are doing like that. Okay, so the correct answer is 12. Clear, my learners? We continue. Now the next one. Okay, I'll just make copy for this. Okay, we move. The next one, my learners. Okay. Who can read? So a diagram, draw a diagram to show the rule that tells you how the following sequence progresses. Okay. Here, my learners, in order to answer this kind of questions or to draw, you should do like that. From 2 to 5, I add what? I add, here I will write it. Okay. I will add what? Plus 3. Then, the same, you will draw rows like that. So this is here plus 3, this is plus 3, this is also plus 3, this is also plus 3. This is the diagram that you should draw like that. Okay, and this one will go up. Okay, and here we'll just make plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, and plus 3. So this is the correct answer. This is the diagram should be written like that. Okay, now what is the 8th term for the sequence? This is, you see, term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, 4th term, 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. So the eighth term is what, my learners? 8th term, which is equal to 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3, which is equal to 23. Clear? This is the 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3, which is equal to 23. Clear? Now for the next question. Given the sequence defined by UN equal n squared minus 1, what are the first term of the sequence? So it's just substitution. This is the nth term. I will just write here. Then, okay. So U1, this is the nth term. Now I'm going to find out the first 3 terms. Okay, I will do this again. Copy. So I'll just start with u1. The first term I will write 1, then I will substitute n by 1. Okay, it will be equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, is equal to 0. For the second one, u2, of course I will okay, this is the first. I will just write it here. Okay, now for the second one, we have u2 now, the second term. I'll just write, instead of writing n, I will write 2. Then I will just calculate 2 squared modernus is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. The next, I'll make comma. The next u3 is 3 squared minus 1 gives 3 squared modernus is 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So as a conclusion, the first term modernus is what? I will just erase this one, no need now. The first 3 terms. So therefore I will go to the, what is the symbol of therefore? Yeah, this one. So therefore what? The first 3 terms of the sequence the first term we told is 0. Then we have 0, 3, and what? And 8. This is the answer, my loves. Okay. This is how can you answer to a question like that. Clear? We'll move to the next one. Now find the question. Now question, find the upper and lower bound of what? Of 4070 to the nearest 10. So the upper and lower bound, I'll just copy this because I want to use it. So lower bound equal what? Equal 4070 minus what? Minus 5, because 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 4065. And upper bound is equal, I will just add to the number 5. 4070 plus 5 gives 4075. Okay, so this is the lower bound and this is the upper bound. For the next equation, let y equal x plus 1 squared minus 3. Okay, so the vertex in general learners, write the vertex in general, if y equal x plus p, for example, or minus p. Okay, I will just use plus p. Okay, plus p minus q or plus q. The question is find the vertex. The vertex here, my learners, is minus p. Should reverse the sign of p. If it is positive here, make minus, because here x equal minus p is the axis of symmetry. Okay, so it will be minus p, then q. Clear? This is in general. If it is minus here, for example, you will write here plus p. If it is here negative, you should write negative, and so on. So we want to find the vertex. So to reverse plus 1, the opposite sign of plus 1 is negative 1. So this is negative 1 and negative 3. the y value of the vertex. So this is the answer. Okay, now move to the next one. Simplify, give your answer in positive indices. You can see this one. It will be copy. Look here, this one equal 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, 9 divided by 3 we told is 3. I will just erase this one because I simplified. Then x to the power negative 2 divided by x to the power 4. This is negative 2. I will write it as a fraction. So it will be 2 plus 2. Then I will erase this one. Okay. It will be 3 divided by x to the power what? X to the power equal 3 divided by x to the power 6, because I will just add the indices. Okay, now here 6. Clear? For this one the same here. Negative sign, for example, I will make negative 3 multiply by, for example, 4. This one Muller is equal what? Equal negative 12, because 4 by 3 is 12. There is negative sign. Y to the power what? I'll just write it here. Okay, copy. Y multiply by y to the power 12 plus negative 20 minus 12 minus. So this one also equal what? Equal minus 12. Then I'll make copy. So 12 minus 20 gives minus 8. Now you can see this expression. It's written, but the indices are positive. I want to change to a fraction, to positive indices. So I should use what? I should use equal sign and fraction. So it will be negative 12, because there is negative 12 divided by y to the power 8. Y to the power 8. Okay, this one, y to the power 8. And then I finish the question. Clear? Okay. This is my learners. Is what I'm looking now. Okay. There is sign, negative sign, don't forget. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. We have find the nth term of this sequence. We have 15, 19, and 23, and 27. So the nth term of learners is that. I will use this one. The nth term, the formula is what? Un is equal to a plus, between parentheses, n minus 1, I will close the parentheses, multiply by the common difference. So a is the first term. This is a, is the first term of the sequence. This is a molar. Okay, this is a. Then the code, the D Malern's is, I will just subtract two consecutive terms, means D is 19 minus 15 is 4. So this one I will just write equal, A we told is 15 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 multiply by what? Multiply by 19 minus 15 is 4. Then I will just expand. This one equal 4 and 15, it will be 15 plus 4 multiplied by n is 4n. 4 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 4. So this one equal 4n plus 11. This is the nth term. So this one is, I'll just write here 4n plus 11. Okay. If you want to check, just substitution. This is the first, the second, the third. I will use the third term, means n equal to 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Plus 11. 12 plus 11 is 23. So correct. Okay. I wish that you got the point. How can you find the nth term of any sequence? Okay, now sketching the graph. Okay, let y equal x minus 1 squared minus 4. To sketch the graph, first, my learners, you should find the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry, okay. The axis of symmetry, my learners, is what? Axis of symmetry, where to write here? Okay. X is equal to what? To 1. It's called axis of symmetry. If here it's positive 1, if x plus 1, the axis of symmetry is minus 1. Clear? And the vertex, capital V, the vertex is minus 1, and the y value of the vertex is negative 4. Clear? This is the first before starting. Then you are going to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept means what? Y-intercept between parentheses means x equals 0. X equals 0. When x equals 0, y is equal to, I will just write this one. Okay, copy. When x equals 0, y equal, I will just substitute x by 0. 0 minus 1 squared will be minus 1. Squared gives 1 equal 1 minus 4 equal negative 3. So this is for the y-intercept. Now for the x-intercept. X-intercept means what? X-intercept between parentheses means y should be equal to 0. If y equals 0, I will use this one, of course. So therefore x minus 1 squared minus 4 equals 0. Then this is the difference between two squares. You can use the method of the difference between two squares to factorize and solve, or just transfer this applies or this gives. I will use symbols if it is possible. Just a moment. Minus 4 equal 0. Okay, I want to first to use symbols equation. Okay, no problem. Minus 4 equals 0. Then so we'll get x minus 1. Now minus 4, I will put it, I will change to, or I will transfer to the right hand side, will be plus 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. A is equal to 4. So now going to take the square. So means x minus 1 equal plus negative equal 2 or equal minus 2, or x minus 1 equal 2. So just solution, try you should solve. Therefore, or this gives what? Gives x, so minus 1, I will change that, will be 1, so x equal minus 1, x equal minus 1, or y minus 1, because this is minus 1, I will transfer here, it will be 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then this is minus 1, I will transfer there, it will be 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, or x equal 3. So we found the roots. Now, my learners, you can now graph this one. Okay, so we told that. I will just use GeoGebra to explain this for you. Okay, GeoGebra. يا حبيبي يا رب. I wish that everything will be okay, my learners, and I wish that from the bottom of my heart that you will revise all the questions that we did in the classroom, and also to revise this online revision, this online final exam revision. Okay, so this is the GeoGebra. I will write my equation. It's loading. Okay, so okay, I will erase this one and make y equal x squared. Okay, x squared minus 1, x minus 1 all squared, this one. Okay, I will make a screenshot. Okay, paint. Okay, paste. Okay, now this is the curve. Clear? I'll just cut this one. Copy. Then I will come here. I will erase this one, this curve. I will make this one. Clear? Now, we told that I will make it bigger, smaller شوية. We told that the axis of symmetry, x equal what? X is equal to 1. Okay. You will draw a line like that. This is x equal 1. You will draw a line and you will make x equal 1 here. And you will write what? And you will write, sorry. This is the axis of symmetry. X equal 1. Axis of symmetry. And this point, my learners, is the vertex. This point, 1, negative 4. And we told x is minus 1 is the root, and y and x equal 3 are the two roots of my quadratic equation. That's why the curve of this equation cuts the x-axis into negative 1 and 3, and cuts also the y-axis into the y-intercept, which is negative 3. Okay? Then the next. Now we move to the next one. Just I will erase this, no need. Okay. Now we move to the next. We have shade the wanted region. Okay. Here it's very easy. First of all, you rearrange your equation. X plus 2. Then the y-intercept. Y-intercept means what? Y-intercept. The y-intercept means y equals x equals 0. When x equals 0, y is 2. Y is equal to 2. Okay. Then for the x-intercept, the y should be equal to 0. And y should be equal to 0 means when y equal 0, x is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Why? Because you will make x plus 2 equal 0. Then you will transfer plus 2 on the right hand side. Therefore, so x is equal to negative 2. Okay? We found the first. So this is the point when the curve cuts the y-axis, and this is when your curve cuts the x-axis. Okay. Then just you will graph this one. I will just use a graph. Okay. This is the line when x equal 0, y equal 2. Okay. When x, this is the point. When x equal 0, y is 2. When x equal minus 2, y is 0. So from 2 minus 2 to 2. I will draw this line, my learners. Okay. This is the line. And I should write here what? I should label this equation, this line. I will make y equal x plus 2. Clear? Now, we want you to choose now, to decide which region you are going to shade. It is the region that is above the line or region below the line. In this case, you will choose randomly a point. For example, this point is below the line. Don't choose a point that lies on the line. No. Choose a point is below the line or above the line. For example, you can choose this point, this point, this point, whatsoever. For example, you can see -4, for example, 3, -4, 4, whatever. Me, I will choose this one. X equals 0, Y equals 0. I will choose X equals 0 and Y is equal to 0. Then I will check this in my equality. If my statement still true, so this is the region that I'm looking for. Look, we told that Y now is 0, صح? Instead of writing now, I will come down. Okay, this is a change. I will just what happened? Okay, the line only راح رجعوا اللاين like that. Okay, good boy, Mr. Murad. So we told that here I will write Y. We told copy, صح? Okay, the X is what? The X is 0. Well, Y is 0 because I choose this point. I choose this point. This one, I told X is 0, Y is 0. This point exactly. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 is more than 0? Yes, true. Okay, so true. So I will shade this one, my learners. I will shade this part, okay? Insert this one. Okay, which one I want to shade? Yes, okay, let's do this one. Okay, then I will put this here. Okay, then I will rotate this. Okay, then this one, my learners, should be shaded. All of this clear, but only to rotate. Yeah, and now go back. Yeah, no, yes, correct. I will shade this part, my learners. Clear? Just I will go up. No. Slowly, Mr. Murad. Slowly. Your learners are seeking how to do this one. Okay, my learners. Okay, like that. You should, let's say, shade this part. Clear? Or is not clear? Okay, this is what you should, of course, write. Yeah. Okay, this one I'll make with yellow. Okay. This is the equation we labeled. You can make an arrow like that, small arrow, to show that for the X-intercept, for rearranging your equation, you will get 0.5, a half mark. For this one, you will get half. For this one, half. 1/2 and 1/2, 1.5, صح? Then the line half. So it remains shading and discussion which region you are going to shade. Is it above the lower, above or above the same, the line, or below the line? Okay. The next one, learners. Okay, this one, no need. Okay. The second question we have x squared plus 8 plus 10. I try to write as that. So I will use this one. Okay. Because I want to write it here. I will make here. Okay. V. Now I will use this one. Okay. Again, I will write here so that I can solve. Equal. Now x plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then minus 4 squared will be minus 16 plus 10. So this one equal what, my learners? Equal x plus 4. Okay, equal x plus 4 minus what? Minus 6. Clear? This one, the last one, this one should be equal to x plus 2p squared plus 3q. So I'll just write this one means 2p. I will make 2p should be equal to 4 because different sign, same sign, so it will be positive. Different sign should be negative. For example, this is 3q should be equal to what? To negative 6. Why difference? Because different sign. Clear? Negative. So I'll just write here 2p equal what? Equal 4. And 3q equal negative 6. So therefore here 2p equal 4, I will divide by 2, so p equal 2. So p is equal to 2. The next one, this is the first. The second one, 3q equal negative 6, I will divide by 3, so q equal negative 2. This is the second solution. Okay. Now just write here, write 2 there, negative 2. Clear? Okay. For the second question, let's say a shopkeeper buys an article of $250 and sell it for $350. What is the percentage profit? This question we divide into two sub-questions. The profit is what first? Is 300 cost the sell price minus sell price minus cost price. Okay, so equal what? Equal 350 minus 250, I thought. Yes, equal $100. So now this I will put here. Okay. Now my learners, to find the profit percentage, you will just make 100. I will just equal. I will use the equation. I will use a fraction, of course, the symbol of fraction. I will make the profit, which is 100, then divided by 250, multiply by what? Multiply by 100, which is equal to 40%. Clear? يا الحبيب. So this one, the answer, this is profit equal. Okay. The next part. Now the value of a new computer depreciates, means decreased by 20% per year. If it costs 1,200 new, what will be worth in 2 years? So it's easy, my learners. Just I will try to use this formula. Yes, then I'll put it here. So the V equal, all right, the V equal P times 1 plus R. The R, don't write 20%. R, you should convert this as decimal. 20% is 0.20. To the power how many? To the power n. This is the formula. Or to the power time, as you like. So now I will just substitute. Therefore, okay. So V equal P is $1,200. 1 plus 0.20% make 0.2 or 0.20. To the power how many years here? In 2 years. In 2 years. Just you will use calculator and just calculate this one. Okay. Sorry, in the minus because depreciates means decreased, not increased. Okay. So I'll just use calculator and check. We have 0.80, 0.8, because 1 minus 0.20 is 0.8 squared multiplied by 1,200. So equal approximately, not approximately, equal $768. Okay, dollar of course. Be careful because in the exam numbers will be different. Okay, so you should train yourself how to solve this kind of questions. Okay, the next one, $500 invested at 5% per annum compound interest. What will be the investment after 3 years? I will make V equal P plus R to the power n. Just a moment. Sorry. Okay, we continue. Ya Rabbi Karim. So I will just write this again. Okay, copy and paste. So this is the formula for compound interest. So the rate is 5%, means 0.05, and the amount is principal 500. The number of years, N or T as you like, is 3 years. So it will be, so therefore, so V equal, P is we told 500 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05, because 5% is 0.05 to the power 3. You will just use calculator and you will figure out the answer. Just give me time. So we told 500 multiplied by 1.05 to the power 3. Yes, it will be, my learners, equal 578, yes, point 8,125. Of course there is equal sign, don't forget, Mr. Murad. Okay, then for the next question we move to this one. So this is the answer, of course. I will just okay, try to learn this formula, my learners, because you will use it. Okay. And the next, yes, correct. In the exam, it will be 1,500. Okay, this one should be 1,500. Okay, so okay. The next one, okay, Sami, I'll just write this. Okay, Sami invested $400 per annum for 5 years. Okay, this is the amount, this is the rate, this is the number of years. Clear? How much did he have at the end of the period? Here, my learners, you will just calculate. To answer this question, you make pi plus p, sorry. This one equal pi, equal p, sorry, my learners. Okay, I will use this one because I want to insert the symbol of fraction. Okay, I will go to fraction equation tools. Okay, I found this one. Okay, then I will erase what I did first. Okay, so p plus I is what, my learners, is p RT divided by 100. Okay, Now just substitution. I will make P is $400 plus this one. I will use it again. Okay, Mr. Murad, write it here. Yes, good boy. P is we told is 400 multiply by 15 multiply by number of years is 5 divide by 100. This one equal, so it will be 4 multiply 60. Okay, this one equal, I can simplify this. It will be 400 plus 400 divided by 100 is 4. It will be 4 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 20 multiplied by 15 is 300. So it will be 400 plus 300 equal, the total is 700. Don't forget the dollar. Okay, this is question should be solved like that. Okay. The next question. Now, sort of like that. So the sum of money principal is invested subject to compound interest of a rate 8% per annum. Write the formula of exponential growth. So I will use this symbol, or I will use I will use this one. I will use this one. Okay, copy. Then I will write it here. So the formula of growth, exponential growth, is that V equal A times P plus R to the power N. Also, you can write this as no. Okay, do it again, Mr. Murad. Okay, alhamdulillah. Or you can write also, instead of writing A, write P. Okay, plus P. This is the formula. I will use this one, the second one. Now, the second question, if the value of investment, after 15 years is $317 point something, express the principal. You will express the principal in terms of what? In terms of the V, the value of investment, and then the rate of change, R, and then number of years. Okay, or number of time periods, okay, which is 15 years. Okay. So now I'll just write the formula I already written. I will write here where I am here. Okay. I'll put it in the beginning. So this is the formula of the exponential growth. Now to express P in terms of V or R or N, I should my learners divide all of them by what? By 1 plus R to the power N. So I will do like that. Okay, I will go to insert equation, fraction. So yes, so therefore are these givens? Okay, this gives what? I will just divide by, it will be V divided by what? By 1 plus, okay, okay, now I will erase this one. Okay, this is my learners is P. This is P equal. Okay, then you will just substitute. Okay, copy and complete. Then therefore, now we move to substitution. Therefore, LP is V is what? LV is this one. Okay, 1 plus R, my learners, is 0.8, I thought. If you go up, 0, yes, this is the rate, 0.08, 8%. I'll come here to make 8%, means 0.08. You can add also to the power 15 number of years. The answer approximately will find equal 99 point and so on. So it will be $100. Okay. For this example, for construction, it's easy. We did this before in the classroom. For also this one, we did this one also. For this one, we have if two similar solids have a scale factor of A to B, then their volumes have the ratio of A cubed, B cubed. Okay, find the ratio of height. So the height is 15 to what? 15 to 10. You can also simplify by 5. We will get it will be 3 to what? To 2. This is the ratio. Clear? Now the next one, this is how can we solve this question like that. Okay, بعدين look at the following diagram. B, we have look at the following diagram. This is okay, and work the missing angle. So this is, we told this is two angles. X equal, and I will just write X equal, where there, okay, X equal 40 degree, I just write degrees, okay. Okay, because the center theorem states that the angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. For this one, 40, in fact, is half of 80, and also this angle at the circumference is half of 80 degree. So the X should be equal to 40. Okay. The next example. If C equal 90, then if C equal 90 molars, okay, I'll just make rotation. This is cyclic quadratic, quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles always is 180, like that. W plus X is 180. Okay, I will just write here. W plus X is 180 degree, of course, or W is 90. So X equal 180 minus W. It will be equal 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is for because this is 90 molars. W is 90. Now for 70, Y equals 70. So this one is Y plus Z should be 180. So Z is Z, or just and where I am now? Yes, and the angle Z is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degree. Clear? Okay. The next. So these two solids are similar. Clear? What is the value of the radius? The radius is 2 centimeters. The radius of smaller cone is 2 centimeters. Okay. Then after, okay, explain why Ahmed told that the cone has it's correct. No, it's not correct. The answer, please come as the first. Okay. Answer, no. No. Okay. Why? Simply because not this, Mr. I will use this one. Copy. Simply because what learns, I will use this equation because I need to insert an equation. Which equation, Mr. Murad? Fraction squared. Okay. I need fraction squared. Okay. So I need 1/3 first. Multiply by what? By pi. Okay. By then x squared. Okay. اللي هي r squared. Not r, I will just this is the formula, okay, but I want to make 6 squared. Okay, r squared, no problem. Okay. Multiply by h. This is the formula of the volume of a cone. Okay. V equal. But I need pi. pi إن شاء الله نحصلها. Pi, where is pi, Mr. Murad? My God. Yes, alhamdulillah. So this is the formula of a cone in general. Clear? Now I will just use this one. Okay. H is 18, this is 6 centimeters. Okay, this is 6 centimeters. For the bigger one, this is 18 centimeters. I will try to calculate it. So I will make the volume of, I will here insert another equation. I will make this one, yes. I want to write here V of larger. L means larger. Okay, I will write larger. Okay, the volume of the larger cone. Okay, I will write as it is. Good. Is equal. Now I will immediately change. It will be 6. Multiply by h. It will be 18. Okay, there is a multiplication sign. This is of course multiplication sign. So this one immediately equal 216 pi. What is equal sign, Mr. Murad? You forget. Okay, add pi, I will put it here. Okay. Pi centimeter cubed. Okay. Centimeter cubed or a unit cubed. Yes, a unit centimeter cubed. Okay. A cubed, Mr. Ahmad, not to the power 2, 3. Okay. This is for this one, but I prefer to use the formula. Yes. So I will do this one. Copy. I will do it again. Okay. So this is PR squared multiply by height directly h, then I will erase this one equal, yes, like that. Okay. Yes, now we move to the next one. Copy and paste. الحين we move to the volume of the smaller cone. smaller con. It will be the formula. Then this is, it will be 2. This is multiplied by 6. Okay, it will be 8. So which one is more? So I'll just write which is, therefore, okay, therefore I will use symbol, it's better. What is therefore, yeah, Mr. Murad, this one, therefore. Okay, therefore, I will use this one, copy, I'll put here. Then I will use also this one, copy, and is more, this is more than paste. Yes. So the next learns, we already practiced at home. Practiced in the classroom. So now find the magnitude of b minus a. It's very easy. Okay. Here I will make b minus a equal what? I will just erase this one. So I will erase also this is, I will put it here. Okay, cut. This is b. b is 2, 0 minus the column vector minus 1, 4. This one equal, see 2 minus 1 تصبح 2 plus 1 تصبح 3. It will be 3. Then 0 minus 4 gives minus 4. Clear? Now to find the magnitude, it's very easy. We'll use the square root. The square root of, yes, of, then I will come here. I will make the square of 3 squared. 3 squared plus what? Plus another script. Okay, it will be negative 4 between parentheses, negative 4 squared. Okay, so this one, my learners, equal the square root of, I will make 9 plus, okay, I will make 9 plus 16. Okay, also equal, oh my god, equal the square root of 25. I will write again, no problem, to let you, to explain this for you. 25, which is equal to what? To 5. Clear? To 5. Okay. Clear, my learners? The next question, and okay, if a equal 1, 0 and b 3, 1, find 3a plus 5b. Okay, I will write here. So 3a, I will use this one. 3a plus 5b equal, I will multiply the first by 3, then my daughters and my sons I will make plus what? Plus 5 times, so this one I will do this again. So okay, copy, equal, okay, look, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. I will write here 3. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. I will write here 15. Then 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Now I will try to add, equal Look, 3 plus 15 is 18. 0 plus 5 is 5. خلاص, I finished the answer. Okay, we will write this here, but I swear to you it's different numbers, so you should train yourself how can you solve this one. Clear? Then now the position vector of, okay, I will use this one because I will need them. Okay, then this is the last question. So the position vector of A is 3, 2, and the position, this is, and the position O not exist, and the position vector of B is negative 2, 4. Means this is the position vector of B is OB. OB moves 2 units to the left and 4 up. For the vector A, from O, the origin, will move 3 units up, to the right, sorry, and 2 ups, yes. Now find for AB. Okay, we told I will use this fact. Now we'll solving. Here we have 2 methods. Use the method that I went to that is easy for you. First of all, the first method, I will make the position vector. The position vector of A is 3, 2, means I will use this one. Okay, means what? Means OA is equal to this one, equal 3, 2. Okay. Okay. Then OB. No. Okay. Equal. No need. After I will make equal. Equal. Okay. This one. Now I will use this one. The position vector we wrote it as OA. الحين now I will move to OB. Okay. Now OB, I'll just make OB. OB is negative 2, 4. Negative 2, and because this is the position vector of B, means OB equal negative 2, 4. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, now I will use this one. AB is what, in fact? It will be negative 4, or if you would like, let's first work AB only. Then we will multiply by negative 4. Okay? So I'll write here AB equal, I will make okay plus okay AB equal AO plus OB. Okay. So the OA is 3, 2. Well, OB is negative 2, 4. Okay? But look here. This is OA equal 3, 2. Here it's written AO. So I can change OA. It will be negative AO. So here it will be equal to, I will just write this one, the same, no change, copy, equal negative, then I will make like that, negative OA plus OB. Now it's correct. So this one I will put it here, copy. It will be equal to, we told negative, okay, plus b is negative 2, 4. Negative 2, 4. Okay. This one, negative, it will be negative 3, negative 5 equal. Look, negative 3, negative 2 gives negative 5. بعدين negative 2 plus 4 gives 2. This is what? This is, my learners, is the vector AB. So AB is equal, therefore AB equal what? Equal the last answer, this one. This question is 100% in the exam. Okay. Now just multiply by negative 4. So therefore negative 4 now multiply by negative 4, it will be equal to negative 4 في negative 5 is 20. I will use one of them. Okay, it will be 20. Okay, 20. Then negative 4 multiplied by 2 is negative 8. Clear? This is called the first method. Second method, I will use it here. Now I can erase this one because now I want space. Okay, مش مشكلة. Okay, now second method. We have, I will just use this one as it is, minus 4ab equal, look, it's very easy here, equal negative 4. Then I will use this one, copy, multiply by, here I will make xb, I will use insertion. Okay, we told xb, x, and then here b, xb minus copy, minus xa, this is a, okay. Ooh. And some more ركز الله يسلمك. Then this one my learns I will copy, then I will make y. I will erase just for الحين. I will make yb بعدين ya. بمحل لي القبل. Okay, الحين you see this one, this is xb is negative 2. I will just write this again, equal then copy. الxb كم؟ الxb is negative 2 minus الxa is negative 3 is 3. I will erase the rest. Okay, we told negative 2 negative 3. Then for yb is 4 minus 2. So this one equal what? I will use copy, which is equal to negative 4 multiplied by negative 5. It will be, yes, it will be, look, negative 2, negative 3, negative 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Multiply, it will be, by 4 it will be negative, okay, I will write no problem, negative 5. And then is 2. I wish that you got the point, my lords. So just multiplication, you got the same answer as that. Clear? equal. Okay, but there is I will do it. Okay, copy. Okay, I may go back to the next one. Okay, equal. So this is the correct answer. We have two methods. Choose the one that you see it's easy for you. Clear? The next one here the same. AB plus AB is already calculated, صح? This is AB. Where is AB? AB, where is it? Yes, AB is negative 5, 2. This is AB is negative 5, 2. I will use it immediately. So this one equal plus 2 times BO. BO is the opposite. Look, this is OB equal minus 2, 4. So BO is what? If you want to change this one, I will do this one. And okay. And OB الحين BO, I want BO is equal to 2 negative 4. 2 negative 4. Okay, I will change by this one. Okay, it's very easy for you. You can plus 2 times. Okay, now just calculation equal. Look at minus 5 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 1. Then 2 plus 2 multiplied by negative 4. 2 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 8. Then add 2, it will be negative 6. This is the last answer. Thank you for listening. See you inshallah next time. I wish that everything is okay. Okay, my learners. Sorry for disturbing you. See you next time inshallah. I love you so much. Goodbye.